Okay, so you probably noticed I'm in new clothes now, because as you heard, the fan went haywire. It was obvious that there was a sensor. Like obviously the car went into failsafe mode, so a sensor not giving the car the readings it needed, and it just defaulted into save the engine. So the fan was going crazy. So I did some digging and actually reached out to my brothers in arms. That's the C63 Facebook group, and Rory on there send me a picture which looked exactly like this. If I just point the camera, don't know if you can see it, try and get it as far in as possible. You can just see those prongs down there. Well, they belong to this connector. So basically when I was taking off the fuel rail, I might have manhandled this when I was trying to see if the injectors will come loose, and I think I just yanked it too hard and it just pulled against the connector and it came off right there. So this here is the coolant temperature sensor. It just screws in. So the plan now is to see if we can just get that replaced real quick. That is the plan anyway. Okay, so let's see, we're gonna have to take this off. Duty, don't cause any more damage. We've got a show on Sunday. I need a pick, don't I? Be right back. There we go. That wasn't too hard now, was it? I'll put that off to the side. And now we need to remove this little bolt which holds on to the power steering reservoir. I believe it's a T30, and if it isn't, we'll find out together. It's not a T30. It's probably a T25 or 27. Yeah, 27. Oh. You can stay right there. Okay, this should be loose now. And oh wow. Okay, there is a lot of this reservoir. It's just, oh okay, I need to release this as well. Geez, there's something everywhere. Come on, get off, whatever you are. Alright, just remember what that is, or where that goes. And now I should be able to lift this up. I mean, I can, but okay, this needs to come out of there. Okay. What is holding on to it? Ah, for you. Okay, let's just put it up here. Alright, and that's the offender right there. That doesn't look like it's actually been replaced before. But then again, what do I know? What do they look like where they've been replaced? Alright, so I'm just going to get... Ooh, that's too tight. Oh, man. Okay, be right back. Alright, that is one contraption I've got on here, but if it works, the problem I'm going to have is this is too short to go over the sensor, so, but one step at a time, I guess. Maybe I should think about it now. Okay, let's so this is short enough to take the broken bit off, but not long enough or deep enough to be able to put the replacement on. So I've got one of these angled wrenches, whatever they are, spanners. So yeah, plan is to get this off first, and then we can deal with that problem later. It's going to leak, as I've been warned by the experts. That's if it comes off. Oh, we broke it free. Okay, so let's take this off because okay, let's get ready. That's all wonky like. Let's just give it a little love tap. There you go. So you can come off. Little prandial thing. And should I just get the towel ready, or do I just get ready to put this in? Let's see. Is there a washer there? Oh yeah, it's there. Okay. No! I just dropped it. You know, I'm just going to block it with my thumb because I'm not going to be able to replace this as quickly as I think I can. Just get that washer out of the way. Oh no! It's gushing out. Okay, there you go. New one's in. Look how shiny that is. Alright, next thing is to tighten it up now. This is 19, by the way. So, it just needs to go in. I don't know what the torque spec is for this. And I actually didn't check. They say good and tight, perhaps. I want to believe that's enough. But what the hell do I know? Alright, so this guy, how did he get through? Probably comes from underneath all of this stuff. Let's see, do I want to do it this way? Oh, I want to do it from underneath. Let's do it from underneath. You can see it's got the heat shield on. I'm just going to thread it under. Oh, that's tight. And then she goes on like this. I mean, whose idea was it to put something in this snug? No wonder it snapped off. Okay, I think that's it. I hope. It just came off. Oh, okay, it's on there now. Stay on there. Right, I'm just gonna need to just put things back in the order they came out. Don't want it having no breathing issues. Okay, and there was you, tiny little fella, goes on there, and I think you just get clipped in just over here, just there. Okay, and this hose, which I'm just going to clean it while I'm here. I mean, we're not going for like detailing type finishes here. It looks very old and brown, so it is what it is. All right, so that's on, and I think that's it. All right, so everything's all buttoned up. I did forget to screw this back on, but now you see it's on there. I believe everything that was disconnected is back on. I'm laughing to myself because I kind of feel like I've been here before. I'm just trying to remember, or at least make sure I have everything in the right place. I did take off. I knew I was going to break something, and yeah, that's broken. Oh joy. It was old anyway. Yeah, that just pops off. Yeah, I'll replace that. But at least I saw it now before it fell off. So anyway, if you guys just watch this area. Yes, ignition on. I mean, were you ever in doubt? Yeah, I'm so happy. Anyway, that is the long and hard way of replacing your injectors. Just use tiny fingers and you probably wouldn't encounter the issues that I had. Anyway, if you'd like this, well, stay tuned. This is all done because I'm going to be at Shedfest this coming Sunday. This is going to be displayed with dad cars. Thanks Ben for the invite, and I will see you on Saturday. Anyway, if you've liked this video, please do like, share, subscribe. Yeah, till the next time.